Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get welcome point and start point in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. I want to show you example. Let's tap the play button and go to live events and tap the welcome to FC Mobile. So you need this one, welcome point, that can be earned from chapter and quests and store to exchange for rewards. So you need this one in this season, welcome point, to get done some milestone like this. You can get this Federico Chiesa by unlocking with welcome point. And also in this feature new goals, also you have to collect start point to unlock the rewards. So what you need to do is let's tap the quest and this one, these two. You need to do this every day. Daily quests. For example, score 10 goals in any mode, you can get 10 welcome point and 15 welcome point. And also complete 5 passes in a match, you can get some. And complete 1 skill game in a match, and many more. So the overall, if you get it done the challenge, you can get this start point 25, welcome point 12, and also this one contain a 60 of your base welcome player. And also if you get this done every day, you can also challenge this in weekly quests. It's, for example, score 100 goals in any mode. So challenge yourself, get it done every day, this quest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as well. Click the button below. Enjoy the game.